व्हाट्सअप गाइस, मेरा नाम है मिहिर और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे आदमी के बारे में हु इज अ बिलियनर, अ सेलिब्रिटी, अ विजनरी एंड अ फादर हु प्रोबेबली डज नॉट लव हिज चाइल्ड क्योंकि उसने अपने बच्चे का नाम ये रखा. हाउ डू यू इवन प्रोनाउंस दैट? यस, वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इलॉन मस्क. So here's a list of 10 things you might not know about Elon Musk. Number 10. Elon Musk began building rockets as a child and his parents would never leave him home alone क्योंकि उनको डर लगता था कि ये या तो कुछ तोड़ देगा या अपना हाथ वाथ कटवा देगा. So he always had a guardian with him at all times during his childhood. ऐसे लोग ही जीनियस बनते हैं. Number 9. At age 9, he taught himself how to code. 9 साल की उम्र में मैं कार्टून देखता था. और इतना ही नहीं, by age 12 he had already made a game. It was a space themed game called Blastar. Later on, Elon Musk sold that game to a computer magazine for $500.
I taught myself how to program computers when I was a kid, and bought my first computer when I was 10 and sold my first commercial program when I was 12.
मैं चिप्स का पैसा भी मम्मी से लेता था 12 साल की उम्र में. नंबर 8. ये ऑलरेडी बहुत फेमस है बट इवेंचुअली ये मैंने सोचा कि डाल देता हूँ क्योंकि a lot of super hero fans in the crowd. The character of Tony Stark in the Iron Man movies played by Robert Downey Jr. was inspired by Elon Musk. इतना ही नहीं, रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर इवन रिक्वेस्टेड द डायरेक्टर कि प्लीज मुझे थोड़ा इलॉन के साथ चिलविल करने दो ना, जस्ट बिकॉज यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इट वाज टू बी लाइक टू बी अ बिलियनियर टेक जीनियस. नंबर 7. इलॉन मस्क ने कॉलेज में अपने घर को एक नाइट क्लब में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था. इलॉन मस्क नेवर लाइक टू पार्टी अलॉट एंड ही हैड टू पे रेंट, तो उसने एक बहुत ही क्रेजी आइडिया सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं अपने घर को नाइट क्लब बना दूं, लोगों को एंट्री के लिए पैसा चार्ज करूं. एंड दैट इज हाउ ही पेड हिज रेंट इन कॉलेज. इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, are you listening? Number 6. Elon Musk dropped out of Stanford University after attending the university just for 2 days. But he already had 2 degrees from Pennsylvania University और उसने probably सोचा होगा कि कॉलेज में मैं क्या टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. Instead, he wanted to take advantage of the 90s internet boom. कॉलेज छोड़ने के बाद Elon Musk ने एक कंपनी शुरू किया. उस कंपनी का नाम था Zip2 and it provided maps and business directories to online newspapers. He later on sold that company in 1999 for a whopping $307 million, making him a millionaire at the young age of 28.
Just 3 years ago, I was showering at the Y and sleeping on the office floor, and now, obviously, I've got $1 million car and quite a few creature comforts. It's just a moment in my life.
मैं 25 साल का होके ये कर रहा हूँ. Elon Musk is terrified of artificial intelligence taking over the world. He believes artificial intelligence is capable of dictating the world and you can't kill it.
Godlike digital superintelligence, they could take over the world.
To counter this, he launched another venture called Neuralink. Neuralink plans to implant computer chips into human brains so that we can counter the artificial intelligence trying to take over our world.
With a high bandwidth brain-machine interface, I think we can actually go along for the ride and we can effectively have the option of merging with AI.
You know what, this exactly reminds me of the Black Mirror episode called The Entire History of You, and if you've seen that episode, it's pretty creepy, so I don't think you should do this, Elon. But it'd be pretty cool to have a chip in your brain. पढ़ाई नहीं करना पड़ेगा, chip डालो, हो गया. Number 4. He started a company called The Boring Company just बेस्ड ऑन अ ट्विटर जोक. कितना पैसा है यार इस आदमी के पास. तो इलॉन मस्क ने ये ट्वीट किया था कि कितना फन होगा कि अगर मैं एक कंपनी खोलूँ जो ज़मीन के नीचे गड्ढे खोदे जिसमें ट्यूब्स और उसमें से लोग चल के जाए. कुछ टाइम के बाद द बोरिंग कंपनी डिड अ टेस्ट रन ऑन द हाइपरलूप. हाइपरलूप कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ टनल विद अ वैक्यूम इनसाइड इट. हाइपरलूप ट्यूब के अंदर है पॉड्स. द पॉड्स डोंट फेस फ्रिक्शन because 1, there is no air inside the tube, and 2, because the pods aren't touching the ground, they're above the ground because of magnets. So the pod just glides through, and Elon Musk says that this is the future of public transportation. The Boring Company didn't just test the Hyperloop wala idea, they also have a section of merchandise. The first merchandise that they offered in their store was a set of caps with the Boring Company ka label. The second thing that they made was a flamethrower. Elon Musk decided to make a flamethrower just because he can do whatever he wants. और उसने लोगों को ये बोला,
Don't buy it, that's what I said.
एंड जैसा आप सोच सकते हैं लोगों ने वही किया जो उन्हें नहीं करना चाहिए था. All 20,000 of the flamethrowers were sold out in 4 days. Elon Musk का एक और कंपनी है called SpaceX that aims to put humans on Mars by the year 2030. To do this, SpaceX was already researching and building a rocket and they created the Falcon. Falcon का first flight था 6 February 2018 को. It was just a test flight, but because it's Elon Musk company, उसको कुछ crazy तो करना ही था. तो Elon Musk ने decide किया कि वो अपनी टेस्ला को as a payload space में भेजेगा And he did it. Elon Musk equipped the rocket with his cherry-colored Tesla Roadster and sent it off to space. Today, that Tesla Roadster is on its way to the Mars orbit, and Elon Musk claims that it's going to be in the universe for millions of years if it doesn't blow up on its head. And on number 1, और ये सबसे एक्साइटिंग और लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है, SpaceX का Falcon 9 जो उनका लेटेस्ट रॉकेट है, it is supposed to take 2 NASA astronauts into space. This is going to be the first time where a private company is going to send astronauts into space, and SpaceX is going to be the first company to do so. And yes, this historical event is supposed to happen on 30th of May 2020. This is a huge event for the entire humankind because this is going to pave way for future space exploration and space travel and even commercial space flights. Are you ready for your vacation to space or probably even the moon? So be sure to check out history being made in front of your eyes and watch the live stream of Falcon 9 going to space, the first company to ever take humans to space. Stay safe, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.